Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2012 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. It's got 263,000 miles and around 10,800 engine hours on it. This truck is a one owner. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. It has a 11-foot nap-hide service body with a 3,200 pound IMT crane. It has a Miller Trailblazer 302 air pack on it, which is an air compressor, welder, generator, all made into one deal. We're selling this truck at a discounted price, and the reason for that being is two things. Number one, when you start this truck up in the morning and it's cold, it's got a surge. I'm not sure what it is. We put our computer on it and it doesn't have any codes in it, so it's kind of weird. And it's got a little bit of rust on it. So I'll show you the rust, the surging. You know, when it warms up, it doesn't do it, and when you bring it off idle, it doesn't do it. Even when it's cold, if you rev it up a little bit, it doesn't do it. I don't know what's wrong with it. We didn't go into it too much. I decided to sell it as is, and what that means, and I want whoever buys it to understand, you know, once you pay me for it, it's yours. If you're not comfortable with that, I don't want you to buy it. I don't want to sell somebody a truck and I'm not feel comfortable about buying it. So basically, you know, if you come here, if you decide you want to come here and drive this truck, once you pay and you leave with it, it's yours. There's no warranty. It is as is. So if you come here and drive it back to California and it does good, I'm happy for you. But if you come here and drive it 10 miles down the road and it blows up, it's still yours. I just want you to understand that. And if you can't deal with that, I don't want you to buy it. I'm not sounding like a jerk. I just want to be upfront. A lot of people don't like hearing the truth, but I'm gonna give it to you. So let's walk around and look at it. And I mean, all the cab corners and everything's solid on this truck. My little bit of rust and other people's, most people wouldn't even tell you. But like I said, I want you to know what you're getting. Some rust in here that's been touched up. The bottom, let's see, I think that door had a little bit of rust on it. Down in here you see a little bit. Here. Scaly stuff right here. Most of it's just you know, just scale, nothing through. Outrigger's not working either. Let's see. Crane up. Clamps down. Extension out. Extension in. Side to side. Start up here. That thing won't start either. It did start, so I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but consider it doesn't work either. See the hours got on this thing here. Hold up. 41 hours on the engine. Let's see on the compressor. 7 hours on the compressor. So I don't know, but it's got a little rust on the cover here. Okay. All right. I mean, the thing runs fine. I've driven it probably 50 or 60 miles. But anyways, if you are interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it, video. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50, $1.75 a mile to ship this truck. If you decide to go that route, just know that I'm a dispatcher. So what we'll do is put this thing on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California or New York or anywhere in between. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay for it. Normally you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. It really depends a lot on where you're at. You know, if you're out in the middle of nowhere, or you know, if you're all the way across the country, just keep in mind as soon as they load it, they're still looking at 5 to 7 days to get it there right when it's loaded. So just keep that in mind. If you're one of those guys, you got to know the exact second someone's going to pick it up, the exact second they're going to pull up in your driveway. The only way to know that is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're welcome to do. If you decide to go that route, we're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. I can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. I prefer wire transfer. Excuse me, I prefer wire transfer. Again, it's a 12 F550. That welder, it ran. I don't know what's happened to it, but maybe out of gas. It's showing it's got gas, but that don't mean nothing. We actually used that thing not too long ago, but anyways, I'm selling it. I don't know if it runs anymore or not. So This truck's cheap, so you got plenty of room to fix whatever you got to fix on it. So it is what it is. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. 256-310-6852. Call or text.